Welcome back to Fishing Gear Headquarters. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to take control of your reel repairs with this in-depth guide on making your own gear parts. Let's dive in. Begin by opening the brake cap and removing the line spool. Next, I'm unscrewing the rotor copper nut to detach the reel rotor. We're working our way down, piece by piece, until we can access the reel's side cover. Once that's off, we can see the internal components: stainless steel main shaft, alloy millstone, and more. Let's keep going until we've exposed everything. Let's carefully remove each internal part. Start with the alloy millstone, then take out main helical gear, which is essential for the rotor's movement, and finally, the stainless steel main shaft. Be cautious with each step. These parts work together to make your reel smooth and reliable. After removing the main components, we can access the plastic gears. The ones we'll replicate to have on hand for future repairs. These gears are prone to wear and can break under pressure, but with the right gesture, we can make our own replacements that fit perfectly. Before jumping into CAD, it's crucial to get precise measurements for our replacement gear. Measure key parameters like pitch diameter, number of teeth, module, pressure angle, hole diameter, and thickness. Start by measuring the hole diameter with a caliper. Next, measure the pitch diameter. This is the diameter of the circle that roughly passes through the middle of each tooth. Finally, measure the thickness of the gear. For the remaining parameters, note that the pressure angle for most gears is 20 degrees. The module is calculated by dividing the pitch diameter by the number of teeth. Now that we've got our measurements, let's head to CAD software. I'll be using Autodesk Fusion 360, which includes a great add-in called FM Gear, perfect for designing custom gears. Input each measurement accurately and click on OK to generate the gear design. This part is pretty straightforward as long as your dimensions are correct. With the basic design done, we can add some customizations to make it match the original. I'm adapting the shape of the hole and adding a base for stability. Little tweaks like these will help our new part perform just as well as the factory version. And here's the result. Our 3D printed parts look just like the originals. They're ready to go, and now we have a solid backup in case of a breakdown. Stay tuned for the next video, where I'll walk you through making a custom spur and helical gear.